The Legend of Elsa, the Snow Queen's Journey. Show a peaceful and beautiful kingdom, Arendelle, with snow-covered mountains and a shimmering palace. Elsa stands on her balcony, with soft snowflakes and a cool breeze flowing around her. Begin the narration. This is the story of Elsa, the Snow Queen, who brought peace to her kingdom with the balance of her powers and heart. But one day, a mysterious storm with a glowing purple hue approaches from the north. Shows snowflakes whispering strange, magical secrets. Elsa's concerned expression as she looks toward the storm. Elsa ventures alone into the icy wilderness, walking through snowy landscapes. She encounters glowing, enchanted eyes and mysterious symbols along the way. She reaches the ruins of a grand, frozen palace hidden under the snow. Inside the ruins, Elsa finds an ancient, icy mirror glowing with a mystical blue-purple light. The mirror shows her fears, courage, and the truths hidden within her heart. Narration: The mirror spoke. You are not the first Snow Queen, nor the last. Are you ready to uncover the truth? Elsa sees visions of her ancestors and their struggles with the same powers. She embarks on a quest to find magical artifacts hidden across the world, learning to master her abilities. Show Elsa returning, now stronger, more confident, and glowing with a newfound sense of purpose. She uses her powers to restore balance between nature and humanity. Peace is restored in Arendelle, with harmony between the people and nature. Elsa stands among her people as a protector, no longer just a queen but a guardian of winter. End narration. And thus, Elsa's story became a legend, inspiring generations to come.
In a lush green jungle, there lived a small rabbit named Chintu. Chintu was very playful and enthusiastic, but he was always scared. Big animals like lion, bear, and fox lived in the jungle, and Chintu felt that he could never win against them. He often said to his mother, "Mom, I am so small. What can I do?" His mother would always smile and say, "Chintu, even the small can do great things with courage and intelligence." One day, there was heavy rain in the jungle and the river water rose so much that the main path of the jungle was blocked. All the animals were worried because they could not go home by crossing the river. King Lion called all the animals and said, "We have to find a way, otherwise we will all stay hungry." The bear said, "I am big, I will try." But he was almost swept away by the strong current. The fox tried to use her cleverness, but she also failed. Chintu was silently watching everything. He thought, "I am small, but maybe my brain can work." He told his mother, "Mom, I have an idea." His mother hugged him and said, "Go Chintu, go! Show your courage." Chintu gathered all the animals in one place and said, "We should together build a small bridge over the river. I saw that there are some twigs and stones lying around." All the animals were surprised by Chintu's words, but they agreed to follow him. Chintu first collected small twigs and placed them on the river bank. The bear brought big stones and the fox had tied the twigs together using her cleverness. King Lion also used hesitant to place the stones in the right spots. Chintu ran quickly from here to there, guiding everyone. In just a few hours, a small but strong bridge was built. All the animals crossed the river and reached their homes. King Lion lifted Chintu on his shoulder and said, "Today you have taught us that any difficulty can be solved with courage and intelligence. You are the bravest little one in the jungle." All the animals praised Chintu and a big celebrations was held that night in the jungle. Chintu was no longer afraid now because he knew that his courage and intelligence were his biggest strength. Moral of the story: this story teaches us that we should not be afraid of our weakness. With courage and wisdom, we can solve any difficulty. Like Chintu, we should trust our ideas and work together with others. Once upon a time, on top of a sparkling, colorful hill, lived a magical unicorn named Luna. Her wings shone with all 7 colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and pink. But one morning when Luna woke up, she looked at her wings and gasped. Luna worried, "Oh no, my rainbow colors are gone. My wings are all white." She felt very sad and started to cry. Just then her friends Aryan, Sia, Ayan and Milo the cat come running. "Aryan, don't worry Luna, we will help you find your colors." "Sia, let's go on an adventure." They walked together the mountain and met a big lion. "Lion, red is the color of bravery. Help someone in need and the color will return." Aryan saw a little bunny stuck in a hole. He was scared, but he bravely helped the bunny climb out. A red color glow appeared on Luna's wings. Next, they walked into a sunny valley. Sia sang a happy song and everyone started laughing and clapping. Luna smiled brightly and suddenly yellow returned to her wings. They reached a dry forest. The trees were sad and droopy. Little Lion planting a tiny sapling and poured water on it. The tree stood tall and green sparkled back on the Luna's wing. Now they come to a quiet lake. The fish were scared and hiding. So the kids sat quietly, letting the water stay calm. Luna felt a peaceful breeze and Blue returned to her wings. A giant rock had a riddle written on it. "I am everywhere but cannot be seen. I don't speak, but I know everything." Sia thought hard and said, "It's your mind or thoughts." Suddenly purple lights swirled around Luna. Finally, Luna said sadly, "What about the last colors?" The kids hugged her and said, "We love you, Luna." And the moment orange and pink burst like fireworks on Luna's wings. Luna happily, "My colors are back. Thank you, my dear friends." "Mom, see, real magic comes from kindness, Dad. And when you do good, colors always come back." Luna flapped her colors wings and flew high in the sky, leaving a beautiful rainbow behind, and all the children danced under the rainbow happily ever after. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to comment my channel.